Okay, I'm going to unbox my Medklinn. This is my Medklinn Versa 45, and what is inside the box? It's here. The operating manual. We have a e-warranty registration, and what's inside the box is this. We have the USB cable, and we also have a adapter, and here you go. Let's open this. And this is the 3 golden rules from Medklinn, and you have rule number 1: turn it on for 24/7. It's designed to be always on. No worries, it uses less than 6 watts. Energy saving. Shut all doors and windows. Treat it like your fresh air producer. You don't want your fresh air to escape. Rule number 3: no air freshener and fragrance. Remove them. They add on to the workload to be sterilized. You will experience Medklinn fresh air soon. And here you go. We'll have this button to maximize the sterilizer, and there's a cartridge inside here, you can see, and this is the charging port. Yeah, that's all. And let us use this, see whether it works on the sinus or not. I am looking forward to cure my sinus soon.